Yeah, it's cold out there, boy. Had a little bit of a hard time getting this thing running and starting and stay running.
It's cold. That thing is not.
Yeah. All right, so some of you guys remember Matt from NPK, the No Prep Kings. We're gonna do have a little project going over here with his car. Hey, so Matt, tell him what we're gonna pretty much what we're doing. Tell him about yourself first. So this is Matt. You're from Connecticut.
Yep. Yeah, bracket race. I did a little index racing at No Prep Kings in Epping, New Hampshire, and Maple Grove, Pennsylvania, and Virginia Motorsports Park.
And you finished with pretty good each one.
Yeah, I won one day at Epping, and then I came runner-up in all the other ones I did.
Cool.
So
not bad, not bad.
So we're gonna do a Smith Racecraft front end.
All right, so it's a 66?
66.
66 Nova.
Yep. Small block, turbo 400.
Yep.
Currently foot brake the car. Gonna put a trans brake in it, rewire it, make it a little nicer.
Yep. So first thing we're gonna do is he just drove down here from way up there, probably 4-hour ride or something.
Yeah.
So we're gonna put the car up on a lift, take the tranny out of it so he could take it back with him. Have the tranny gone through for the season, put a trans brake in it, and we're gonna pull the motor and all the front end and everything off it. The Smithcraft front clip supposed to be here Monday. Today's Saturday, and we'll get going installing all that. All right, stay tuned. Don't forget to like and subscribe. This is gonna be the new project for a couple more videos. All right.
Okay, so we scaled the car first, so we know what all the weight is before we start taking it. No, I'm just saying. So we're pulling his tranny out right now. Got the jack under it and everything.
What's it stuck on?
I kind of wish I could put the blanket on my car, but it's not gonna work.
It's stuck on something. Where's the light? Where's the light?
You have to let the tranny drop a little bit.
It's stuck on. There we go. There we go. It weighs 500 pounds.
I kind of wish we could put it on mine, but I don't know.
I think we're gonna open up the floor. All right, so that thing, the shifter. Oh yeah. This.
And we're gonna change these cable lines here. Look here. That's my thumb. That's how big that one is. Let's save it. Almost dropped the oil. Tranny fluid.
Hold the light like that.
So now you guys can kind of see what's on it now. Caltrax.
And we're going to take it off here so we don't mess with that at all.
Yep.
Alright. And now with this, it ain't too bad because you can let it down a little bit.
Yeah.
But when you've got the mid plate in there ain't no letting nothing down. That's why I was looking at it before we moved it. But you should be alright.
When I first got this car, I had a turbo 350 and it was cracked the bell housing twice on it.
Right.
Two separate trannies. Because it only had a 6-point cage.
Yeah.
And it was flexing so
Flexing.
much. You put it up on a lift like this, you couldn't even open the door.
People don't realize how much
It was bad.
they flex.
Yeah, it was real bad.
You were feeling good that day for that one.
My bad.
figure out what you said it goes through the floor,
Yes.
so we gotta take that off, right?
Yeah.
We got to drain the fluid out, actually. All right, let's drain the fluid out of it. Either one.
I think it's either one.
That's it.
Drained all the fluid out.
All right, just move
You.
this out of the way. Yeah. So I got the back. We're gonna just pop it out. Oh, we got one more? No. Yeah, we got one more. Sorry. I was gonna take this one out last. I forgot. Okay. Good. A little more. No, hold on. Let's see. Something's stuck on here.
There you go.
Hey, that's not on. You can
Remember, it
just
was a tight fit on those things.
stuck on the valve.
Yeah, I mean, it was.
And there it is.
It's hitting right.
I got it. Yeah, go.
Good?
Yeah.
All right. Okay. Flywheel looks good. That's not an SFI flywheel, though.
Mine's the older one.
Yeah. Okay. You can roll this out, put it right in your truck.
Okay.
All right, gang, so here's what we're doing. We're gonna start draining the fluids out of it, dismantling the front end, taking the front clip off, and then we're waiting for the other, the new front end to come, and we'll figure that out. Once it gets here, we'll show you how we do that. For the moment, I'm gonna put you on speed and just take the front end off it and try to get all that done.
All right.
Alright, so got everything pretty much off the front. Fenders, all the radiator, coolers, starter, got the
Exhaust is
headers,
off.
all that off.
So
We gotta take this center link out so that we can get the motor to come up and out. And we're gonna take this off and all this gotta come apart. So we're gonna do that next, take the wheels off, take the front end off. Crap out of the way. Take the brakes off. He's taking the brakes off, and the rest of it's getting trashed anyway.
I'll go get
So here, go get the hoist for the engine stand. And pretty much that's it. We're gonna pull the motor up and out, and then we'll show you the procedure to take the front clip off.
We got a new. Hang on, I'll hold that. All right. coming off. Alright, hang on. I'll hold it. Okay, that's all out. I think we can let it down now.
Yeah, let it down. Pull the motor up.
I got the engine lift outside.
Oh, yeah, want to get that in here?
It's right at the door. Just gotta bring it in.
Probably easier to slide it over the
Where's the carburetor plate so we can pull it out?
Get the carburetor off, get the carburetor plate, put that on there.
Okay.
Now let's do that. Yeah, look at this. So I just took these two lines off, right?
Mm-hmm.
Get this nice and close. Watch the carburetor. You see that? Watch that.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
That's the bolts that come up from inside. So now when we take this off, there's screws that hold the base plate, the throttle plate,
Right.
to the body of the carburetor. They're all freaking loose, dude. You're lucky. I hope none of them dropped in. Oh man! All right, let's go. Take the carburetor off. Let's look at it real quick. You got lucky. Got the gasket.
Haha.
So underneath this gasket, look, all the bolts are freaking loose. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Come on. All right, so straighten that out before we put it back on.
Alright, whatever. That's all just gas anyway. I'll throw that underneath when we're done and I'll clean stuff up.
All right,
Okay.
carburetor's off.
Plates up there on the wall.
I gotta get this.
That's a
off.
big spacer.
Yeah. Gotta get that line off of that. Here, put this over there. Like this now. All right. We're gonna change
We'll
that
just
around.
take that off anyway,
We're
cause.
gonna change that around because that's.
All right.
Okay, the engine's out. I'm gonna stick this in the corner someplace so it's out of our way. And then we're gonna start the next step. I'm taking this front clip off. Actually, I'm gonna undo these spindles. Just gonna take the spindles off completely so you can take them with them and sell them or whatever he's doing with them. All right.